imagine driving an F-150 wielding that, you know, unwieldy at best. But yeah, it's really just all about the experience. We want people to come in here. We want people to look at the artwork and stuff that we have around. We want to represent Knoxville the best we can.
Welcome to Donuts and Diners, the tastiest channel on YouTube. Today, we are in Knoxville, Tennessee, and I am just, you can't imagine how excited I am. We are at Inskip Grill, this place on their website. They've got these burgers. They look like they're this tall. I'm excited to get one. They also have gorilla shakes. I don't know exactly what a gorilla shake is, but if it's called gorilla, I want to have it. Come on, let's go eat.
Hey, this is Traveling Tom. I'm on another one of my magnificent journeys. I've been to see my oldest daughter in Jackson, Tennessee. I stopped at this restaurant because it's world renowned, and I could not miss this for the world.
And this is what's really cool about this place, because it's all based around Knoxville and all things this part of Tennessee. And look at this, even on their menu. Look at this, what stuff's named. Look here, we got all different, these are some regions here around Knoxville. So we got Dolly, of course we all know who Dolly is. Happy Holler. Ooh, I wanna go to Happy Holler, that sounds like fun. Oh, look over here. Around the sandwich menu right here, we got the Oak Ridge. I think that's the Oak Ridge boys. Ooh, Bapa Mau Mau. Look at this, check this out. Breakfast, no matter when you're here. Breakfast all day long. Oh, I'm usually a breakfast guy.
I ordered breakfast. French toast with peanuts and popcorn.
I am super excited to order the cane, but I'm doing the cane with mac and cheese.
Okay. You want lettuce, tomato, pickles, onions?
No onion, no pickle, please.
Okay. And then it does come with the homemade chips, unless you want to upgrade to homemade chips.
Homemade chips would be great.
You like French dressing, a really good dressing, right?
Oh, yes. Mama. Oh, I can't wait. This is coming.
All right, guys, I'm here with Sam, and he kind of just does everything around here. He pretty much just runs the place, from what I understand.
Don't tell Justin that.
All right, we won't tell the owner, okay? We'll keep it a secret between us. All right, tell me a little bit about this place. How did it come about?
Well, Inskip Grill was officially founded in 1967.
Wow.
And it was kind of like a little mom and pop's diner.
Here is why I am so excited about this burger that's coming out here in a minute. Okay, I'm just going to read it to you off the menu. Let's see. Okay, this is story time with Alan. The Cane. A ghost pepper cheeseburger with honey garlic chicken tenders, cheddar cheese, bacon, jalapeno poppers, and an onion ring. But chapter number 2, the Cane with mac and cheese. This version adds house-made macaroni and cheese. And that's what I got. What is the burger that people order the most from here?
I would say the Dill Street is a big contender. It is a pepper jack cheeseburger with spicy ranch and a mound of fried pickles on there. So
Mound of fried pickles.
it's not enough to be its own side. So
Oh my. We have French toast with golden fried brown eggs and wonderful pieces of bacon here. What else could a man want for breakfast? This will have you to be able to work all day.
Look at this. The burger's got a knife running right through it. That's because you have to cut it up because it's too big to get in your mouth. Toppings are just flowing off. Look at it, flowing like a river off the side. A waterfall of toppings. That is just, oh, the dolly looks like a dream. Who comes up with the ideas for these burgers?
yeah, it started with Justin. Justin just wanted a very creative spot for himself to be able to do really what he wanted and have a lot of fun. Some of the recipes come from our customers.
Now, this is the popcorn Sutton. You can imagine with popcorn Sutton that this thing's going to be moonshine infused, and Look at the size of this thing. My hand next to it is dwarfed by the burger. All right, guys, I have prepared a location for this burger that's coming up, and I'm super excited about that. But while I'm waiting on the burger to get here, which I think is coming, I'm gonna try this chip. Oh my, look. Glorious. This may be the best looking burger I have ever seen in my entire life. Okay guys, I'm getting ready to disappear.
If we got it back there, we'll put it on a burger.
That is a gigantic burger. Okay, the knife does not even go all the way to the plate. That's how big this burger is. This is my hand next to the burger. Okay. How, excuse me? That,
Sorry. Sorry.
okay. Well, can you tell us how that is?
It is divine. That is good.
Would you like any more
I
of
might
this?
need to try one more time. This is just the excess. This is not your burger.
Okay.
It's delicious.
For those of you who are new to the channel or may not know, this is my sister-in-law, and apparently she thinks that she can just take anything she would like off of my plate. And I'm gonna let it slide this time because I think I have plenty. And she's a giant.
It's a knife thing that biggest.
All right, guys, I have no idea how I'm gonna get into this burger, so I'm gonna come back to you here in just a minute after I formulate a plan. I've got to formulate a plan, and I'll be right back with you. Bob, what am I gonna do? All right, guys, if you're looking at my burger here, I'm kind of deconstructing it at this point to try to figure out a plan to be able to attack this thing. When I am deconstructing it, you will see another layer under here, the jalapeno popper layer, you have the onion ring layer, you have the macaroni and cheese layer, you have the bacon layer, you have the fried cheddar cheese layer, you have the chicken layer, you have the ghost pepper cheese layer, you have the burger layer, and then at the bottom you have the bun layer. Now I'm going to add the tomato layer and the lettuce layer. That could be the tallest burger I've ever seen in my entire life. Obviously, there's no way I can get this burger in my mouth. This is going to be a fork and knife burger. That is the plan that I have formulated. So, I will be laying this burger over and taking this with a fork and a knife. Here we go. Okay. Okay. Stay. Let's just take a little bit of each thing here. All right, we're gonna first try this macaroni and cheese. That's good mac and cheese. It really is. You see, they got some bacon. Good bacon. Good bacon. Let's try this jalapeno popper. Just get a bite. Oh, that's juicy. Oh, that's good. All right, I'm gonna try a bite of the onion ring. I'm just going for it. I'm going for it. Here we go. There's no way to keep it together into a burger form. Okay, so I've got some of that fried cheddar cheese. I got some of the chicken tender right here. I was a little bit afraid the chicken tender was going to be too sweet, but it's not at all. It's just got a tiny bit of sweetness to it, but then it's got a little bit of a kick in there, which is really good. It's really good. It's like a perfect flavor. I'll tell you what, that's over the top. Now we're getting down to business here. We're getting down to business. I want you guys to see. Here is the burger, ghost pepper cheese, that bottom bun, and then it is just drenched here in some loveliness. Oh yes, my. Ooh, that ghost pepper cheese. It'll tell you it's there. Not too hot to eat, but it'll tell you it's there. That's some ghost pepper cheese. That's good stuff. Oh yeah, yes.
Let me remind you, if you're not a subscriber to Donuts and Diners, click that subscribe button down there below. Also click that notification bell. You never want to miss a video. You never know when we're going to be in your area. Click that big thumbs up button down there. It really does help the channel. And do you know of a place that we need to come? Put it down in the comments below. Cool place like this? We want to know about it because we want to get there.
I found the place a few months after, and I just thought it was phenomenal. It had the Elvis. It's a peanut butter and caramelized banana burger with bacon.
Oh man, that's creative.
That brought me back. That kept me coming back forever. I always said I wanted to make burgers with that guy, and now I'm here. So it's wonderful. It's seriously the best job I've ever done.
Okay, guys, I have formulated a plan here, and I think it's a really good one. Okay, this burger, you saw how gigantic it was, and when I first went into it, when I dove in, I knew that it was going to be something that was going to be really hard to finish, just on its own. Okay, I was right. It is a ton of food. So here's what I've decided to do. If I finish this whole thing, which if I push through, I probably could, I would not have room for anything else. And that would be a crying shame, because I've got to have room for the Gorilla Shake. That's just not a question. I've got to have room for the Gorilla Shake. And I think I have settled on the Reese's Overload. Chapter 3, Story Time with Alan. Reese's Overload. A gorilla-sized chocolate peanut butter shake with a peanut butter rim dipped in Reese's Pieces, chocolate drizzle, and topped with whipped cream, Reese's Pieces, and cups. And they lived happily ever after. Not quite the end. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, let's prepare now for Chapter 4 of Lunchtime with Alan. I have now boxed up the leftovers of my burger into this lovely to-go container. There is more food in this to-go container than would come normally in a whole burger. There's over a pound of food left in here. That'll be at least 2 meals for me when I get home. I'm excited about that. But I'm gonna move this over to the side, and I'm gonna place right here. It's gonna be placed right here. The Reese's Overload Shake. Are you guys seeing this? This might be the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. It's definitely the most beautiful thing I've seen all day today. Who came up with the idea for the Gorilla Shakes?
That was something, again, at the old place we kind of played around with. And it's just really about creating an experience. That's really what it's all about. And we only do those in-house, so you can't get that to go. I mean, it's in a jar, it's got a lot of toppings. Like, imagine driving an F-150 wielding that, you know, unwieldy at best. But yeah, it's really just all about the experience.
Oh, look at that. Marbled all the way through on the inside. It runs out of the outside onto the rim. It's just marvelous, marvelous is all I can say. I'm gonna attempt to eat some of this, so I'm gonna get some of the inside here. Oh my. Okay, I am now eating the outside. I'm eating a shake on the outside of the shake container. How great is that? You can drink the shake through a straw, so it's not too thick. The candies are falling off. I don't want to lose my candies. It's got peanut butter flavor to it, but it's not so overwhelming. The flavors really meld together really well. Let's get some of this right here. This is the deal. What more can you ask for? What more can you ask for? Man, you guys have to come to this place if you're ever in Knoxville. Find this place.
Yes.
Because you'll not regret coming here. Everything you order off the menu, I can guarantee you is going to have good flavor. It's going to be creative.
Yes, I'm personally acquainted with about 95% of the menu.
Whoa, we just got done eating in here. You will not go away from this place hungry. There's no way. There's no way you can go away hungry. Their burgers are gigantic. I mean gigantic. It was so good. All right, until next time, we'll see ya.